Therefore, in closed-loop mode, the ECU keeps the AFR value of around 14.7/1. Given the essential explanations we gave about the AFR, this ratio has an important effect on engine power, pollution, fuel consumption, component life, etc. The ECU manufacturers use different tables and fuel correction factors to control the AFR in different operating conditions accurately. ECUs commonly use a table for standard fuel injection. Then they use separate tables for closed-loop and full-load modes, or temperature control for component protection. The number of these tables, control strategy, and complexity are different for various engines. For example, ECUs sometimes use two primary fuel tables to control AFR. But in some advanced engines, the fuel control strategy uses dozens of tables. The most important tables in fuel or AFR control are the requested Lambda or Lambda for component protection and EGT. In the following, we will fully describe these three tables.